Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Desi in Deutschland. Those are new to my channel, for them my name is Swapna. I live in Germany and I make videos about life in Germany, jobs in Germany and altogether everything. So guys, thank you so much for liking my videos and giving me so much support, and it's just growing. My channel is growing and this is truly amazing for me. So please show your love on my videos. Please give me so many likes and comments, and don't forget to hit subscribe button, and please show your love and help me to grow my channel. So guys, this video is going to be specific about language, because everyone whoever messages me or DMs me, they are just keep asking this question, whether German is required for testing job in Germany or not. So guys, let's start from the beginning. Let's talk about English also. For that, I have started this poll and I'm so much happy with this overwhelming response. Thank you so much for attending this poll, and let's talk about it, what it is. So let's start. I had started two polls. In first poll, I have asked whether you guys want my videos in Hindi language, and you guys said 60% of people said yes. But guys, there are many people, they still want my informative video in English so that they can also understand and participate in the video and get some information. So I have decided all the informative videos, I'm gonna make them in English, and vlogs I'm gonna make in mixed language, Hindi and English, so it will help everyone. Thank you for support. Now, in the second poll, I have asked which language do you guys prefer for learning, English, Hindi or others. So the maximum people said English, which is kind of really good thing, and let's find out. So guys, it's just my opinion. It is really good to learn something in any language. If you are acquiring knowledge in any language, it is just better. It's just great. But when it comes for job and job search, which language do you think that you should use? In many of my DMs, people said, can I get some material in their native language for testing so that they can learn better? Guys, for this thing, I must say, please start learning all the technical stuff in English language. Those are messaging me that if they can get some material, testing material, technical stuff in Hindi language or in their regional language so that they can understand that better, I think it is totally fine. It will give you some help to understand material and your concepts will be clear. But I will suggest strongly, please learn all of them. Please learn testing in English language, because if you learn in English language, you will be practicing it, and if you are practice well, when you go for interview, it will be just tip of your tongue. You will be just answering all the questions fluently. You will not struggle for language. Sometimes what happens, if you learn in your language, that will that you find more comfortable or more clean and easy. Sometimes you know more, but just due to English, because in interview you will be talking in English, you are not able to explain it well, because you know so much, but due to limitation of words or due to limitation of practice, you just half clarify things, you just half answer it. So it's better to learn it and practice it in English itself, so that it will give you really good practice for interview. I assume if you have any trouble, like your English is not good or you need to learn English first before learning testing, so for that, do not worry. Both things you can start simultaneously. English is not really tough. In the beginning, start just the things that required for your interviews and for your learning, and gradually you will learn anyway. watch many English movies with subtitles. It will boost your English knowledge. Simultaneously also practice testing questions, testing interview, and watch so many mock interviews so that it will give you more confidence. And please practice in English. Benefits of knowing English. So when you are appearing in interview, if you have a little bit knowledge of English and if you are very well prepared for interviews, but your English is not good, but you can crack interviews still, so that is good. That is good amount of knowledge. You can, if with little bit in knowing English, you can still appear in interview, you can sometimes crack it. And when you go in the organization, you can start learning it. You can start, because in organization, when you start working there, you will see everything is in English. In testing, you will get all the mails, emails in English, all the communication going on in English. And in your work wise, you will get requirements, specification in English. You have to write test cases through them in English, and everything is going to be in English. Even when you are presenting your bugs, you are sharing reports, you are talking to BA, manager, developers, all the communication is going to be in English, right? So in that case, if you have little bit kick of English, it will really help you for surviving in organization. Sometimes what happens, people really struggle. They crack interviews, but in organization, when they start working, it is really hard. They work in the bench, they don't speak much. And what happens in that way, they are losing out some opportunities. People who are very well in English, they get most of the opportunities. They get most of the opportunities going abroad, most of the opportunities inside the project also. So if your language is better, it's definitely gonna help you to grow your career well. So try to learn everything what you learn for interview or what you prepare for interview in English. It's going to really help you, right? I will just give you one example. I'm not native English speaker. I have done my schooling in really Hindi medium school, and after 12 years, after my 12th standard, I went to university to completing my engineering, and there everything was in English. I struggled quite a lot. It was really hard work to integrate myself into the English environment, to the subjects, and everything was in English. Initially, trust me, in first semester I was struggling to remember the subjects names also, because they all were in English. It was really easy for me in school when I was saying just math, science, but when we came in engineering, it was really hard for me to remember all the subjects name. It was this much hard. But it's not going to be that much hard for you all. Just practice it. What I did, I was just reading. And whenever I'm finding that this word meaning I don't know, because whoever have done engineering, they know the grammar. It's just, I think, vocabulary that you need to improve. So just read it. And if you don't know the meaning of any word, try to find out that meaning in Hindi and just write it somewhere in your books and read it maybe once in a day or twice in a day. And later you will find out that those new words are being implemented by you many times in your sentences. You will see in 1 month your vocabulary is really good. You can understand all the phases, everything very well. And now you don't need to find out the meaning of the word anymore. So it's just 1 or 2 month work, and you will see in 1 or 2 months time your English is going to be really good. And trust me guys, it's gonna help you for a job, finding job, surviving in job, for everything. So learn in any language, but if you wanna work in IT, just practice English little bit so that it will help you to survive in the environment. And if you need more tips and tricks to learn English, ping me, comment in this video and let me know how I can help you out. Thank you so much. Now let's get back to the topic about German language. So guys, many people ask me, not many, all of them, everybody asks me, why do I need to learn German before I apply for the jobs? Do I need to learn German before I come to the Germany, or do I need to learn German when they just started applying the jobs? So guys, German is okay and you need to learn, but still you can start applying jobs. There are many jobs opportunities where you can be taken without knowing German, and there are many jobs which requires really great knowledge of German, like B2 or above B2 level of German. But mostly in IT, so usually what happens, you apply for a job, the process will go on, and if your skill is good and they like your skill, they will give you offer. And when you get an offer and when you are preparing yourself for coming to Germany, you can start learning German, maybe A1 level. You can learn A1 level, and you don't have to present your certificate. It's just for yourself, so that you can survive in a new country, so that you can know a little bit terminology which is mentioned everywhere, because in Germany everything is written in German. So if you have knowledge about little bit of German, maybe A1 level, so when you come to the Germany, you will not find a major difference. You would know that what are those words means. So for that, just prepare A1 when you are through with your interviews and when you know that you are coming to Germany. And I'll tell you benefits of knowing German. When you know German, what you can do, you can see all the IT people here, they are from different background, but mostly this is German country. So you will find most of your employees German, and they would prefer talking German first, then English. So if they are talking to you apart from work, probably they might use more German words. And if even about work, in some work culture, if the person is German, might use some words German. They might use some German terms. You can ask, if most of the conversation is going in English, so you can ask what does that mean. But if you would know a little bit, then you would know that what that person is saying. So this is as simple as this. And if you know German, what are the benefits that you can get? The moment you arrive in Germany, you will be able to understand what are these signs, what are the things, what are the boards saying, and where your house is, the location, the addresses. It is going to be really easy to understand. Second thing, when you go to supermarket, everything would be written in German. So if you know a little bit German, you would know that what you need to buy, like sugar, salt, oil, flour, pasta, pizza. So these things you would know, right? And trust me guys, people struggle for these things also if they don't know German. So this thing, knowing German little bit, will make your life easy definitely if you are living in Germany or if you are planning to come in Germany. The only thing is that if you think learning German is overhead right now because you're not through interview, you don't know whether you'll get offer letter or not, you don't know where you are standing right now in the job search, wait for some times. Make sure that you get one of the offer, and then you can start your German language. Or if you are just interested in knowing German, start learning German if you have time. So this is really easy. So this is very much clear what I'm saying right now. If you know German, it's gonna definitely help you. But if you're coming to Germany, try to do A1 or A2 level certificate. it will make your life really easy, or else when you come here you will be doing even certificate along your work. So what's gonna happen, you are anyway, first of all, you are trying to survive, you are trying to understand things, you are working, you have to work a lot, or maybe you have to, because it is your job here and you're starting, so initially you have to understand things, you will be quite occupied in your working environment, and apart from that you would be learning German. So it's going to be really messed up managing everything. So if you know little bit German in beforehand, so it will make your life easy. But still, I know many people do it, we have done it, we came here, we try to do everything, and it's just too much. So it's up to you guys. Watch this video before starting your job search in Germany. It's going to really help you, and it's gonna give you a little bit boost for job search, and it will clear all your questions and all your confusions about German. So thank you so much for watching my channel. Please be with me, and please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share them with your friends and family, and please help me for growing my channel. I want to see my channel is like huge. I think everybody just imagine that, whoever running a channel. So please help me. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.